Hey guys, Lamonster here, Lamonster Garage, and we have a little wiring kit we put together for you guys, and basically it will help you to clean up existing wiring, or if you get a product that has undesirable connectors, we would say. It's a good way to put the right connectors to start with so you don't have problems later down the road. Here's a little kit. It's a 28-piece kit. And it's got Posi locks, Posi taps, and lever locks, or Waco lever locks. So I'm going to show you how to use them. This is a really common connector. It's for basically if you want to pull one wire off another one. So let's say you got a hot wire here, you put another wire in here to grab an extra lead for the hot. The problem is it comes with this little guillotine. When I say guillotine, is the problem is it will actually cut the wire and set up problems down the road for corrosions. I can't tell you how many times we've had to replace these where the wire was completely damaged or almost severed because of these connectors. So we throw them away. I had to dig through the trash to find some of these. So anyway, what's better than that? Well, this is better than that. This is called a Posi Tap. They call it a tap because it taps into the wire. And basically it's got a little deal that's got a slot in it. Your wire goes in here and it's got a little needle point and that pokes into the wire. It does very little damage to it. I'll show you basically what you're going to want to do is, I could do that without dropping it. You put your wire in like so, and then you screw this in like so. Okay, and so now you can run a wire off of this. So take this off like so. I'll grab a wire here. You're gonna want to strip the end. Strip it about 3/8 of an inch or so. Okay. You run that through here. Have a little bit sticking out. And then what you do is you just tie that in like so. Snug it down. And you got really bulletproof connection there. Really nice seal. You won't ever have to worry about that connection. This is a Posi Lock, and they call it a Posi Lock because basically it's not tapping into it, it's extending the wire. So if you want to do a butt splice, that's what this would be used for. So once again, if I want to do a butt splice, I'll pop this off like so, take my wire, splice it, I'll strip it, and that. Put that in here. Go back here, just like I say, you want a couple of strands hanging out there. Tighten it up, real nice connection. No soldering, no crimping. I was told that these are approved for repair by NASCAR. These connectors are really good connectors. A friend of mine turned me on to those years ago. So we got this all connected. You're tapped into a wire. You've extended the wire. And these are the lever locks. This kit comes with 5-pin lever locks and 3-pin. And same situation. You're going to want to strip the wire back like so. And these are real simple. You just insert them, fully insert them, close the lever down, and there it's done. That's the whole deal. If you have multiple wires, let's say but let's say you got 3 22 gauge or 20 gauge wires, you can double, even triple them up and use these holes. So this is basically just an extension. If you're running positive and negative, you're going to need one for positive and one for negative. We have customers that will put the positive and the negative in the same block and wonder why they blow in fuses. So just remember, this is just another way to extend this wire and be able to add more wires. This is the 3 lever, works the same on the 5 lever. So really slick setup. So anyway, we put these together. These connectors are hard to find. You have to buy them in bulk. So we put a small kit together that will basically should be able to clean up most of anything you want to do. So hope that helps, and you can check it out on lamonstergarage.com. Thanks.